Here folks, we have my Carrera Subway 2 junkyard bike. Bought this for £30 off FaceBay. Was pretty good. Almost slick tyres. Virtually no resistance. Chain was rather noisy when I was riding it, so put some gear oil on it. That's alright. Doesn't make an annoying squeak anymore. Brakes work fine. Put my own mudguard on the front. I've also swapped all the bolts out for better ones, because all the ones that was on it was rusty. Swapped them all out. But yeah, it's got thumb shifters. The only annoying thing is it doesn't have front suspension, but then I guess it helps with the lack of weight, make it go faster. But it's definitely more comfy than the Carrera racing bike, that's for sure. Can go about just as fast, but not as harsh on the bumps. But yeah, all in all, a good bike. Thanks for watching.